Okay, so this is in continuation of what we did and what we talked about in the first video. So what we're taking though today is we are taking the understanding of, we're in your journals on page 60, if we have x plus y is greater than 5, and then they have this ordered pair 3, 2 here. So this is x, y. So what they're saying is if I was to graph this line, right, if I move this x over, so we have y is greater than 5 minus x, what they're saying here then, would these points, would this be in that solution? So like if I was to graph it, we'd have a point at our 5, because that's our b, right? B is 5. And then my slope is -1. Remember, your slope is always with your x. So I'm going to go down 1 over 1. And I will draw a dashed line because it is open. And I would shade above that line because it's greater than 5. Y is greater than 5 minus x. We disregard the slopes. We look at this. We look at our y values. All of these y values are going up, or greater than, so it's above that line. So what they're saying is this 3, 2, is it a solution? So, right, so 3, 2, we go up 3 and we go up 2 right here, and we will say no, it is not a solution. Technically, if my line was exactly correct, it would be on this line. So let's erase this a little bit, this line here. And I'm just going to show you what I mean. I go down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1. So my line goes like this, really. Okay, so all of this is a solution. So 3, 2, well, it's on this line, this 3, 2. It is on the dotted line, so this is a no. So what we're talking about though today is we don't have to graph. That was from Friday. You can just plug that in. So my x is 3, so I'm going to replace that with a 3. My y is 2, so I'm going to replace that with a 2. So I have 3 plus 2 is greater than 5, so 5 is greater than 5. No, it is not. Is it equal to? Yes, but it is not greater than 5. Okay, so let's look at another one. So let's look just algebraically. We have x plus 2y is less than or equal to 4. And we have an ordered pair of -1, 2. So they're saying, is this a solution? So we have our x value. We're going to put -1. We have our y value is 2. So we say plus 2 times 2, because we're replacing that, is less than or equal to 4. So we have -1 plus 4 is less than or equal to 4. So we have 3 is less than 4. Is 3 less than 4? Then you say, yes, it is, and that is a solution, okay? So that's what you're doing today. And then you're also looking at if things are solutions within the graph. And so that was on the previous video. Sorry I had to do 2 videos. My first video was too long for YouTube, so I had to do this second video.